Hey friends, welcome. Lois East with Ellie Grace's Attic, and today we are going to make a paper towel napkin holder paint stand. A wire paint stand, for lack of a better word. I don't know what you call it, but I'm all into organizing around this time of year. My art area around me, if you could see off camera, is kind of crazy. And I have a ton, because I paint signs, I got a ton of these little bottles of paint. And right now I've got them like just standing in a low box situation, and they're scattered all over my side table here. So we're gonna put together this handy dandy, let me show you, I've already made one. This handy dandy little paint stand. How cute is this? I saw this floating around on the internet and I wanted to try it out. So let's get into it. I've got my Dollar Tree bag, right? This is where I got all this stuff. Each of these items was $1.25 each. So I got four of these. These are napkin stands, okay? So we got four of those, and we've got one paper towel holder, okay? And we're gonna cut off the tags. This is super easy, and it's what, $1.25, $2.50, $5, $6.25 is what this cost total. And this ended up, mine ended up holding 14 of the 2-ounce acrylic paint bottles. So 14, and I think I'll probably squeeze a couple more in there if I tried really hard. But it got a lot of them out of the box. So that was exciting. And how cute is the little stand? So, making all the noise. We're going to do this as quick as possible. It does not take long. So you take your stand like so, and you take two of the napkin holders, and you're going to put them just like this at the bottom. Make sure they're as flush as can be. It's going to be a little wobbly till you get them tied off. So you're just going to hold them like this, and you get a zip tie. I'm using black, and this is, I think, an 11-inch zip tie. It's what I had in the garage, but you can use any color, and you could probably go a little bit smaller. So I'm just going to kind of pinch it around until I can get it started. Super easy. And I'm going to hold that together. And I did the little block on the inside, so because I don't want it to really stick out, you just pull it as tight as it'll go. It's going to be kind of, just leave the tail for now. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm doing this, and I'm going to push it up to the top. And then I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. Pulling that tight. I'm going to whip it around. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. All right, now that we have our bottom two, and once you get them zip tied, they're pretty secure, okay? They're on there. So now that we've got the bottom done, we're going to do the same thing with the other two napkin holders, and we're going to attach them to the top. Told y'all this was easy. So again, it might be a little wobbly at first, but once you get them zip tied, it is secure. Oops. Just kind of hold it on there. There we go. We're going to come down and do the bottom. Same procedure. Pull it tight, whip it around, and do the other side. All right, so now you'll see I have them all secure. And so now I'm just going to kind of lay it on its side, and I'm going to snip as close as possible to the little block. I'm snipping the ends off of the zip ties because you don't want that kind of ugly on your thing. Again, I'm going to get it just reaching in and snipping. I might have to stand this up to do this one. I have to do this one from the bottom. I'm just using regular scissors. They're snipping right off. It's just plastic, so. And then there you have it. There is our wire Dollar Tree paint stand. How cute is that? And now I can just take my paint and stick it in like this, and you just stack them. And they just go, well, you don't want to knock them out, but you just stack them up, and then they end up like this. How cute is that?